Sitting on this narrow piece of planet Earth's youngest landmass is a country of untamed wilderness and bountiful joy. This is one of the most biodiverse places in the world, where people value living the pure life. Presenting to you Costa Rica, a nature lover's paradise. More than 70 years ago, the government of Costa Rica abolished their army and invested on the development of healthcare and education, thus enabling people to focus on the simpler things in life and the sheer joy of living. Nature and sustainability being the top priorities for Costa Ricans, the country takes pride in having reversed deforestation. After struggling with deforestation in the 1980s, today in the 21st century, around 60% of the country is covered in forests. Feel your senses as you wake up to the calls of toucans and howler monkeys and smell the fresh air. Nothing can quite prepare you for the sensory overload of natural abundance in Costa Rica. But a good way to start is with a cup of delicious Costa Rican coffee, one of the finest in the world.
When in the country, immerse yourself in nature, the essence of Costa Rica. The country is blessed with miles of coastline, Pacific to the west and Caribbean on the east. Take a leisurely walk on the beach, spend the day lazing under the sun, or grab a surfboard to ride the waves. Swim in the rivers and chase the dozens of waterfalls scattered all over the country, secretly tucked in the deep tropical forests. Go hiking in the rainforest and get enchanted by its flora and fauna. Marvel at the magical cloud forest as you zipline over the forest canopy or walk on the hanging bridges, several meters above the ground. Admire the views of mighty volcanoes towering over towns and national parks. Soak in the volcanic thermal water-fed hot springs and feel rejuvenated.
Wherever you go in Costa Rica, prepare to get awed by the array of exotic animals and colorful birds commonly found here, from the cutesy capuchins to the chilled out sloths, from the zippy hummingbirds to the elusive resplendent quetzals. Wildlife in Costa Rica is unlikely to evade your attention. In Costa Rica, wildlife does not feel threatened, and humans revel about the simple pleasures of life. All living beings in this little paradise seem to coexist in perfect harmony in the bosom of Mother Nature. Come visit Costa Rica and get a taste of life in this land of Pura Vida.